Quick question, mother truckers. Where the hell do you mount your GPS, and are you mounting it somewhere legal? Because now they're actually giving you more room to mount it. There's a lot of you that probably have been mounting your GPS somewhere that's actually illegal. I didn't even know this either, but there are some of you that are mounting it too low or too high. So the actual vehicle safety technologies rule that the FMCSA has had for this whole time was they currently allowed 4 inches from the distance below the upper edge of the area swept by the windshield wipers. So wherever the highest point of your windshield wipers was, you measure 4 inches down, and that's where you are allowed to have your trucker GPS. I had no clue. Well, there's a new rule that's coming out, and it just came out recently. It's going to go in effect in May, and they're actually going to allow the area to be 8.5 inches below from the upper edge of the area swept by the windshield wiper. So now you have more room to play with. But mother truckers, just know that, sometimes if they want to pull you over, they'll pull you over for the littlest things. So the biggest thing you can do is just follow the rules. There was a truck driver that I interviewed that had like 20 trucker GPSs. I'm joking, he had more like 11. But there were some places that he said were not illegal to mount. But according to the FMCSA, some were. So mother truckers, just be careful. Because, you always just want to, dot your I's, line out your T's, and just make sure you're good to go. But that's something that's new. Now, hey, it just allows more room. So it's a positive thing. Mother truckers, comment down below.